the great amount of money only when you sell your company. You know, otherwise, I mean, it's very nice to say it's my baby and I want to. I mean, it's not. It's your baby, fine, but your real baby is your biological baby at home, right? This is something which is a dream you are cherishing. It's a financial model that you are running, and you have to make it successful. So you will make it successful, and you will draw your livelihood today. You can't. I mean, you have a salary. I have a salary from the company, and I don't take anything more than that. I just have a salary. But when I actually have to make money, I will make money when I sell my share, which will be worth X amount at that time. So I am working towards that, and I am changing my business model as and when possible to make it most attractive for a buyer.
In my case, I would say innovation has always been there. Even when day one when we were doing, we were looking at it. When we were making pav bhaji, somebody said, "How do you make a machine?" So the cook was serving us tea at late night 9 o'clock. He said, 4 घंटे से मीटिंग में घर जाना है. And we were pav bhaji बनाने के लिए we were looking at machines. I had this Vijay friend of mine, engineer, working. उसने एक आइसक्रीम का स्कूप लाया, वो 55 grams का पाव भाजी ऐसा डाल दिया चाय का कप में, वो दे दिया. So innovation happened from not us, but maybe from one of our core team members or even our employees. When we wanted to do the vada, we went to the plant and we said, let's do the plant. We suddenly found हमारा vada जो था वो एकदम standardized American look था, because it's done by a machine. But our Indian vada has this goda, shape. So what is it? The customer will like it. So you put two Almora pans that, and जैसे वो बेसन उसके ऊपर रेन वाटर होता है, तो Almora pan की वजह से the basin used to get disturbed, and then we started getting these lines and go down our vada. So on the technology front, we started doing innovation. On the fryer side, we said we require temperature control fryer. We said the customer likes. We started doing customer tests. At 75-degree temperature for the tongue, he likes the vada to be good. Indian customers are different. The taste, you know, how they understand. Jawan jal gaya to taste अच्छा है. Actually, what happens is typically when you have really 100-degree temperature, when you put the thing, jawan jal जाता है, उसका taste समझता ही नहीं. And then they say it's good because they get a kick out of it. You know, गरम चाय पिया तो kick मिलता है. गरम Indian consumers drinks रहेगा तो color अच्छा होता है, लाल बड़ा color. Sugar बहुत होना होता है, you know, the common Indian. So any drink that you get on the road, you know, gola, vila, they're all really brown color, dark red color, dark yellow color, or fully with sugar. So that's how they punch, you know, kick बैठना होता है. So we said, okay, kick and all is good, but we want the customer to taste the product. So 75-degree. But how do you get a 75-degree on the store level standardization? That was craziness. The vada has been standardized, but that vada has to have that same. The viscosity of the besa has to be 90 means 90. So ये सब में हम लोग innovation करने लगे. So the program that we started writing at 170-degree or 180-degree and 5 minutes, the core tongue temperature is 70 or 75. That's good. The basin coating is 90. It shouldn't get burned also. So we wrote a program of software. Again, it had nothing to do with us. So we went to various software programmers, talking to them at night. तो इधर काम कर रहे हैं, तो इधर काम हमारे लिए प्रोग्राम लिखते हैं. Going to various institutes. They said, are you crazy? Writing a program for a vada pav. And then they brought a chip, a microchip. So what happened as an entrepreneur? You don't say, okay, our background is graduate, BCom, we are commerce. Suddenly I started picking up instrumentation engineering books. All night I used to read. What is this that happens in instrumentation degree? So flame control device. So I started putting a flame control device. Flame control device, it goes to the oil bath, and in that oil bath, what do you see? At 180-degree, the flame has to go off. So the sensor has to catch that 180-degree temperature. It has to tell the gas below, and the flame and the control device will put out the flame. So this was a crazy thing to be done, but it happened. I drew the program, drew the chart, spoke to my engineer friends, and then ultimately within 3 months we find 170 or 180 बीच में a software program. Somebody from Airoli Principal, what you call the head of department of that software instrumentation engineer and a software guy. We got a guy who makes a fryer. We got a guy who does software programs. We got a guy who works on instrumentation technology. And then we are sitting here and saying, "Ye hota hai kya?" And then it happens. So what I say, innovation happens. There are a lot of. Recently, what happened when we went through this phase, marketing. FMCG spends huge amount of marketing. You know, innovation. I'll tell you. I'll share it. It's very funny thing. We had a franchisee in Kalyan last year. I don't want to name him. And this boy came from an MBA background. You know, suddenly MBA करके आया. And the father mother were typical middle class. So names changed. And Tunu is his name. Mother and father is saying Tunu बोलता है आपको advertise करना चाहिए TV पे. I'm saying यार छोटे से बड़ा पाव वाले TV में गया तो पूरा खानदान रोड पे आ जाएगा. हम भी आ जाएंगे, आप भी आ जाओगे. Where do you do brand building? वो तो नहीं. कोको कोला का advertisement होता है, पेप्सी का advertisement होता है.